Transform your Costco salmon into Sushi-Grade perfection right in your own kitchen, and discover how easy it is to elevate your homemade sushi game. First, let's talk about safety. Because consuming raw fish requires careful preparation, the key to making your Costco salmon Sushi-Grade at home is proper freezing to kill any potential parasites. You'll want to freeze the salmon for at least 7 days at 4 degrees Fahrenheit or below if your home freezer doesn't reach that temperature. Aim for a longer freeze of 14 days at the coldest setting for best results. Vacuum seal your salmon fillet before freezing. This prevents freezer burn and maintains quality. After the freezing period, it's time to gently thaw your salmon by placing it in the refrigerator overnight. Never thaw at room temperature, as this can promote bacterial growth. Once thawed, rinse the fillet under cold running water and then pat it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for removing any surface moisture and preparing it for handling. Now for the trimming using a very sharp knife. Carefully remove the skin also. Trim away any dark, reddish flesh or excess fat. You're looking for that beautiful, uniform pink color of prime Sushi-Grade salmon. With your salmon prepped, you're ready to slice. Make clean, decisive cuts against the grain of the fish. Aim for uniform thickness, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, depending on your preference for nigiri or sashimi. And there you have it. Your Costco salmon is now ready to be the star of your homemade sushi rolls, sashimi, or poke bowls. Just remember to handle it with care and consume it the same day you prepare it for optimal freshness and safety. Enjoy your delicious, restaurant-quality sushi.